guys, happy Planner Wednesday. This spread is from July 30th through August the 5th. I can't believe it's almost August already. And what we're going to be doing this week is another classic movie, The Ghost and Mrs. Muir. And it's starring Rex Harrison and Gene Tierney. I made my own stickers, and then I picked out this paper because the movie's in black and white. And this paper just reminded me of her. It's very delicate and refined. And then this is just, I don't know, it's just almost ghostly like he's there, but you can see him, we can see him, but everybody else can't. So that's why I picked that paper. So it's got a very light image. It's really hard to see. I hope it's coming up, but that's why I picked that together. And then this is just Dollar Tree washi, and I picked it because it looks like an old movie basically. And I'm just going to be using a pen right here that I have. So let me go ahead and take my pages out of my planner. And I'm so glad everybody loved Now Voyager. It is really a good movie, and I enjoyed doing that. Okay, I decided that I want this paper to be the dominant one, so I'm going to cut it first. Okay, let's put our paper down how we want it. And I bought this paper at Walmart. If you saw my haul yesterday, then you saw this paper in it, and I really do like it. I think it's going to give us a nice effect. All right, let's start putting our paper down. And I like this paper because it is double-sided. I think that's really going to be pretty. Oh, I really do like that. I think that's going to give us exactly what we want. All right, let's start putting our washi down. But this is a really sweet movie. It's a love story, but it's also kind of a comedy, but it also has sad parts in it. But it's really a good movie. Oh, I really do like that. Oh, I think that turned out nicely. Okay, let's put our stickers down that I made. This just says The Ghost and Mrs. Muir, and that's exactly how my DVD looks. I think I got it at Walmart, to be honest. And this is just when she arrives at Gall Cottage. She moved to White Cliff, and she's recently a widow, and she has her daughter, and then she has her maid, and her mother-in-law and Bossy's sister-in-law, they don't want her to move. And the man is telling her that this is haunted by a seaman that supposedly killed himself. And this just says haunted, how perfectly fascinating. Because she loves adventure and things like that. She really isn't afraid of anything. She's very spunky. And this is the picture of the seaman, who is Rex Harrison, who is the ghost. And that is, she finds, and she leaves it, and she moves it into her bedroom. And there's a lot of people that think that that's totally not proper, but she goes ahead and does it anyway. And then here's a picture of once they get to know each other. He comes out and talks to her, and they get along really well. He frightened her at first, but he promised that he wouldn't let anybody else see her. But her daughter ends up seeing him, but she doesn't know that till much later. And then this is them just standing there talking in her room, and they actually start to fall in love. And he comes up with this idea, because he tells her that he didn't kill himself, that he accidentally fell asleep, and he kicked over something on his stove, and he didn't have a will, so he couldn't leave his house to anybody because he wasn't planning on dying yet. And he wanted to turn it into a retired sea captain's home. Okay, and then this is just, he decides he wants her to write his memoirs, and then she can sell the book, and then he's going to give her the money and she can buy the house. So that's what she's doing. She's typing his memoirs. And so on the way to get his memoirs published, she meets this man, and she thinks he's a really nice guy. And Rex Harrison is always, and his name is Daniel in the movie. the ghost, he's always trying to tell her that she really needs to find a live person. So he encourages her, and she meets up with this guy. And Rex Harrison isn't too fond of it, but he allows it. And he finally comes to her one night, and he kisses her, and he makes her think in a dream that the book was her idea, that he never existed. It was all in her imagination, and he leaves her. And then she finds out that this man is married, and he just does this to a lot of women. So this is her. She's really sad. She's sitting in a chair because she misses him so much, and she can't believe that that wasn't real. And I won't tell you how it ends, but when he leaves her, this is how he looks in the window. You can see he's fading away, but like I said, I'm not going to tell you how it ends in case you want to watch it, but it is a really, really good movie. All right, let me write a few things down I need to do. Okay, let's put the pages back into my planner and take a look at it, but I think it really is beautiful. I love how it turned out. My planner's getting so full. Ooh. Okay, here it is. I love how it turned out. I love my stickers. I love this movie. It has always been a very favorite of mine. And I love this paper, and I love this one that represents him, ghostly. You can kind of see it, but it's not really there. And then I love this washi. I think it really sets it off. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.